Hey guys, it's Sully from Father Son Cards 42. Today, y'all saw the recap of the National Baseball Card Day video. So we're going to open it all in one video. So we got 5 National Baseball Card Day packs, 2 silver packs, Decade's Best Chrome pack, 2017 Series 2, 5 of them, 2020 Top Series 2, 3 jumbo packs, 2 packs of 2020 Diamond Kings. So, let's get started. We'll start with the Decade's Best Chrome, right here. So, see if we can pull something cool. Just 2 cards.
Doc Gooden and the Yankees. Flip them over, make sure there's nothing numbered. Nope, no numbered cards.
Okay. So we'll do a National Baseball Card Day pack. If y'all saw the recap video, I got an Austin Meadows autograph from one of these. These are actually harder to open than you think.
Oh.
Okay, so here we go.
That's Vladdy, Kluber, Snell, Molina, and Kikuchi.
We'll go with a Series 2 2017. Looking for Aaron Judge, Cody Bellinger. I think they're in this.
Severino, Todd Frazier, Alex Cobb, Atlanta Braves. What's this? It's a Chipper Jones retro. Brian Kinney. Show code. Anybody still play the 17 to show, you can have that code. Mauricio Cabrera, rookie card of Dan Vogelbach, and Danny Duffy, and Melvin Upton Jr.
Okay, so let's go for a silver pack. Let's do a silver pack. You want to open a silver pack?
Sure, why not?
And then after that, we're going to do another National Baseball Card Day.
No color. Jake Rogers after Urquidy, Rizzo, and Sean Yamaguchi rookie card.
Okay.
What you got now? Another series?
Another National Baseball Card Day.
Okay, Molina, Kikuchi again, Posey, Machado, and Josh Bell.
Yeah, they come in like, if you could get a pack that's completely the same or completely different. Alright, we're saving the best for the end. So let's do another 2017 Series 2.
Okay. Castellanos, Tony Kemp, Peralta, Hedges, gold Adam Jones, Camilla Luddington, I don't know who she is, Luke Maley, Trevor Rosenthal, Steve Cishek, and Christian Betancourt.
Okay, so let's do a Diamond Kings pack.
Okay.
Can we find one of the hits? Okay, so here we go.
There's Jordan on top. Tris Speaker. Dustin May, rookie. Stan Musial. Something backwards.
Ooh.
Ted Williams.
It's not guaranteed an autograph. It might.
Jake Fraley. It is an
Ooh,
autograph.
nice.
Jake Fraley auto. Is he? And he's
That's pretty good. Autograph.
Yeah, autograph. It's good.
Okay.
Okay.
And then finish out this pack.
And Yelich, Diamond Kings, Pete Rose.
That was a really
That was
good
a really
pack.
good pack. Jordan and that was good.
What should we do next? Let's do another
National
Baseball Card Day pack. They're harder than you think to open.
Yeah, they are a little bit hard to open. Alright, let's see. Got backwards. Harper, Arenado, Lindor, Votto, and Luis Robert. Yay!
Second one.
Luis Robert. That's good. You need 2 of those.
Yeah. But you can't really sell them to the card shop because
No.
they gave you these for
Yeah.
free.
Yeah.
So it's like you can't do
Alright,
that.
what do you open next?
Let's do series. Oh yeah, these are sticking together for some reason.
Yeah.
17.
Graveman. Jose Ramirez, Yankee, or no, that's Mets. Washington Nationals. Legends, Willie Stargell. A rookie of Amir Garrett. Carlos Gonzalez.
Oh, isn't he the person that charged
Yeah.
the pirate?
Charged the Pirates' whole team. Jeff Mathis. Yu Darvish. And Nolan Arenado.
Okay. Y'all are probably waiting for the series 2, so that's what we're doing next. We need to lose Robert out of this.
No. Still need Luis Robert.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. We'll do half. Okay, here we go.
Okay, keep going. Just start scrolling through it. I'll tell you if I see them.
Especially through these
Landscapes.
landscape ones.
Yep. Definitely not in that stack.
Because here's the stack that would have inserts.
Yep. Okay. Up and down. Autograph.
Oh,
Brandon Lowe.
autograph.
That's good.
It's cute.
Brandon Lowe, 85 design. It's an on-card autograph.
That's
It's not
sweet.
numbered. But yeah, that's good. That's
I'll
awesome.
definitely take that.
Yeah, that's 2 autographs.
Let's go.
Scherzer. Gold of Chris Bassett. Foil Eric Sogard. Steve Carlton. Austin Riley. And hey, Luis Robert, 2020. That's a good one.
What a
That's
break.
a good one. Yeah, we don't have this one. That's a good one. I don't know how much it's worth, but that's good.
Yeah.
All right.
That's a 2030 insert, right?
Yeah. 2030 or 2020? What is it called?
2030.
2030, yeah,
It's called
that's
2030.
Yeah.
Let's finish the Diamond King since we
Okay.
already got a hit. We're probably not going to get another one.
Yeah. Eddie Stanky, Mad Bum, Eddie Matthews, Edwin Rios, rookie, Zach Collins, rookie, Mule Suttles, who's that? That's a Reese Hoskins aficionado, and a Donnie Walton rookie card.
Yeah. That's what I thought. Do you want to open a series 2?
Sure. Haven't got much out of these series 2, have we?
Yeah. I mean, there might not even be Aaron Judge in it because he's in Series 1. I can't remember.
Yeah, I don't know if the Judge is in here.
But we're still looking for the relic,
Giles,
if there is.
Ian Kennedy, Ramirez, Lobaton, Bonnie Hunt, TJ Rivera, Valbuena, Matt Kemp, and Nolasco. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's finish these silver
Okay,
packs.
go ahead, finish the silver pack. Maybe we'll get an auto out of here.
Yeah. Some colors.
Danny Mendick, Mauricio Dubon, Sheldon Noisy, and Noah Syndergaard. Nope.
Okay,
No color.
here we go. Let's do another National Baseball Card Day. I could get it open. Just okay. Here we go.
Bellinger, Merrifield, Verlander, Cabrera, Soto. Where was the auto at? Was it in the back? Was it at the
I
end?
think it was
or-
the second to last card.
Second to the last card? Okay.
Actually, no, it is in the middle. So
in the middle?
2 cards in.
Okay.
Let's finish these.
Okay. No hit. At least not a. Go ahead. Rendall, Brantley, Brandon Phillips, Perez, Chisenhall, Chris Bryant, Gold, Brock Holt, Ryan Shrimpf, Robbie Ray, and Joe Ross.
Okay. So we got these left. Let's do the National Baseball Card Day.
Okay. And then 2 packs of Series 2. There we go, Robert.
Yeah. At least we did get that 2030 insert.
Yeah. Okay, Chris Bryant, Martinez, Means, Acuna, and Peralta. Okay. All right, last 2.
Last 2.
You just lost a card.
Oh.
You lost a couple cards. Austin Hayes, Archie Bradley, and Blake Snell.
Here we go.
Okay, go ahead. That's not him. Landscape. Shogo again. Gosh, we've gotten like 10 Shogo Akiyamas, and we can't get one Luis Robert. I'm beginning to think he's really not in here. Because how do you open that much and you don't get it? Tops now, Luis Robert. There's a gold foil of Michael Taylor. Alex Rodriguez, War card. Paul Goldschmidt. And tops 2030, Alex Bregman. Another Luis Robert, though.
Yeah.
Out of, this is a tops now card.
At least we're still getting good cards.
And a gold foil Michael Taylor. Too bad it's not better than that. Not numbered. Is there a hit in there? Nope. At least it didn't look like it. Okay, let's see. It's a White Sox, not the right one. We haven't seen any short prints either.
Nope.
Landscape. Okay. That's
There we go.
the last of it. Kikuchi. Nope. Chew. There's a backwards card. Mookie Betts.
Short.
Print. It's a pretty cool card, though.
Too bad it isn't the super short print.
That's a cool card, though.
At least you got a short print.
Gold foil Velasquez. Robles. Yastrzemski. And Gavin Lux, 2030. So no Luis Robert base.
But at least we did get
Yeah, we
two
did.
autographs. And then we got the 3 Luis Robert cards. Topps now
Yeah.
2030 and
So
National
Brandon
Baseball
Lowe
card.
auto. Jake Fraley auto.
Yeah. So pretty
These
good.
two Luis Roberts there, the Topps now, and then the 2030, and then the Gavin Lux 2030, Mookie Betts short print. So
pretty
some
good.
stuff. Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah,
really
so-
good stuff.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Peace.